Hi guys, I'm Tony Alden, and today we're going to look at the command query replace regular expression, and specifically we're going to look at a cool trick that is in the replace string that we use to replace what we've matched in the buffer. We can use Lisp code to modify the string we replace. So let's look at the help buffer of query replace regular expression. So replace something after point matching the regular expression that we give with toString. And if we go here and there, so here we have some information. So in toString we can use the backslash. I don't know the name of this symbol, but instead of whatever we've matched the whole regular expression, we can use here backslash with a 1, 2, 3, and we match the group, the subgroup of the matching of the regular expression. So there's a thing that we're going to use. And there is one more. I don't remember where it is written. Okay, so this is here. So in interactive code, the replacement text can contain backslash comma followed by a Lisp expression. So this is what we are going to do today, and we can see here we have foobar that appear 3 times in the buffer, and let's say that this was how we see the call of the function baz1 and baz2 when we created them. But now what we want to do is to put bar before foo and capitalize, for instance, bar, or maybe putting no, we are going to capitalize bar and capitalize foo. So we start here. We call query replace regular expression. We have some proposed text in the query regexp in the echo area, and what we want to match is, if we do it right, so we want to match first foo. Okay, so this is the first submatch, anything in between, and we want to match bar. So this we have the 2 sub-expression. We hit return, and now we are going to start with that. Now we have a Lisp expression here. So we want to concat, and we want to concat, if we just do, let's say, 1 to start, concat 2 and 1, so this should change the sense of the order. So let's see. So it changed the order, but we forgot to pass it to concatenate also how we call it, the white space. So we stop, we go back, we try it again, and we just take the match that was correct. So the match is this one. So we have foo. So we it's hard to see, but we match the same thing because the match was good. And now this is the expression we return that we change. So concat the first one with a white space with the second one. And no, this is not what we want. We want to do a permutation, so we do that. So is it working? So yes, you see that it works. We interchange foo and bar, but let's say now we are going to do it again. So here we match foo and bar, and we want to concat. So now we want to capitalize. So we concat the first one. We capitalize with that function capitalize. So we don't have the completion anyway. I hope I remember well the name. The 2, and we want a white space, and let's say no, we're going to do it anyway for capitalize for the second. Up, we have this, we closed one parenthesis, we close the other one, we do that, and let's see if it works. And it is capitalize, capitalize, capitalize. So you can see that. And isn't this so super cool and super powerful? So I hope you enjoy this short video. If you get some value from this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.